Hello ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing a fictional album cover for a music coming up very soon by an artist which you and I do not know about. So I guess as we go on this tutorial, we will make something up. So before we get started, I would like to show you what we'll be working with today. These are the assets we are probably going to be working with today, and I got each and every one of them from pngwing.com. Yes, it just got my attention now that they have got really cool assets which you can use for your project, and they are all in PNG format. That's a very great news for you. Don't have to go to the hassle of cutting out backgrounds out of objects again. So just go on the website pngwing.com, then you search for whatever you're looking for, and you straight away download it PNG format, ready made for you to use. As you can see, very great. And if you think you cannot go through the troubles of going over to the internet and getting images or stock images you want to use for your project, I have took it out of my time because I like you guys to collate these images for you, to collate all these resources for you just in one place. And if you want to get it, you can just click the link in my description below. Like about 30,000 different resources in this particular resources that I have collected for you guys. So just click on the link in this description below, then you can get it for yourself. So without no further ado, let's jump right into today's video.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So the first thing we do now is create a new file. Then we open up our dialog box here, then we input our dimension, which is 2160 by 2160 like we normally use on this channel. So just leave the rest of the info as they are, then you click on create. So now let's get started. The first thing I would like to do is to go over to our assets here, then bring in our base asset that we'll be working on, which is the backgrounds, right? So the title of this album will be Baller. You can see a basketball here. I think you're already getting the concept here. So let's try and add in all these rocks. Let's add them in. Let's try to blend them in. Let's blend them in. So that's something like this. It should come on down. Yeah, something like this. We're just putting things in place for now. Just putting them in place for now. We adjust them later on in this video. So which other one? Let's bring in this one as well. So guys, something unfortunate happened when I finished recording this video. Then I was about to edit it. I found out that my microphone was dead the whole time, so it wasn't recording any of my voice. So I had to resort into using this voiceover method now. So I will just be talking you through the whole process which I went through in making this album cover. So as we watch the time lapse together, I'll just talk you through it. So here I was trying to blend in the rocks. So that they will have the same kind of color, then lighting and so on. So I was just trying to blend them in. It took a very long period of time to actually get it. Then I added a little fog just to create that contrast. Then I added some little shadows, then our sky, our background, and I added stars, and I blended in. Then I added our waterfall, blended it in as well, then added it to fog to create that contrast and distance. Then I added our ball, which I maxed in. Then I was trying to find a perfect color for it. Then I added a little highlights. Then I brought in our birds, then just put them there. Then I was trying to add our highlights here, since the source of our light is coming from the left hand side. So just added to add a little bit of light on top of each rocks, as you can see. Then I was trying to add the shadows here, trying to add the shadows here. I was trying to add the shadows here. This actually took a while, but at the end of the day it was done. Then I added our title of the album, which is Bola. Then I gave it a stroke. Then I added some kind of glue to it. Then I felt our ball should be actually staying inside the rocks, so I tried to mask the ball, and then I gave it some kind of shadowish effect there, just to create the realism of it. Then I added a little more shadow, then more glue. Then I tried to blur that one out. Then I added our House Entertainment, added a logo. Then the name of the artist I actually came up with was Niklaus. That's cool, right? So I think by this time I was done with it. So I was actually trying to add a camera raw filter effect. I had, when you are done with your design, and actually add a camera raw filter to enhance the whole image and to bring out more vibrancy from the image. I actually learned this trick from Benny Production from YouTube. I've consumed a lot of his videos and I've really learned a lot. You can as well check him out on YouTube, Benny's Production. Yeah, the guy's a genius. So I was trying to add a camera raw filter here just to make it more vibrant and to actually make it pop. Then I added a little green effect. Then it was done. You can see the after. Then I felt I should move our title up a little bit, as it was too close to the ball. So just notch that up a little bit. Yeah, perfect, just like that. Then I saved it. Then pretty well was back to how it was. Yeah, it's looking way more better than it was now. Then this was before camera filter, then after camera filter. You can see the vibrancy and that purplish part, which makes it cool, very cool. I like it, it's epic. This is the first time I'll be trying something like this out. Yeah, thank you guys for following. If you are new here, I want you to please don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on the bell notification icon, so that when I start dropping a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified about it. If you are not new, thank you for always coming back, and make sure you drop a comment. Anything you feel like you should do next, just drop it in the comment section, and I'll make sure I attend to all the comments, then I reply respectively. Thank you guys for always coming back. Really thank you guys. Yeah, I think that's it on today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like I always say, never stop creating. Peace out.